have some spinach, and I'm going to be using some spinach. This is some spinach I brought at the shop. These are the fresh spinach. This is from the local supermarket I brought. So these are the fresh one I've been using. Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. But anyway, you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm going to make you a recipe. A very, very, very authentic recipe. You know what I mean? The other day I do a recipe on okra, and I said okra punch. Now we're gonna make an okra smoothie. Alright? Alright. So first thing I must say, I have some spinach, and I'm going to be using some spinach. This is some spinach I brought at the shop. These are the fresh spinach. This is from the local supermarket I brought. So these are the fresh one I've been using. Alright? So what I'm going to do is cut up my spinach. I wash off the spinach already. Alright. Look what I do, you know. I want you guys see, you know. This is the spinach. You can buy the baby spinach. You don't have to use this one. I just say I like to get the fresh one I've been using. Alright. This one is just fresh and nice. Then second thing, okra. I'm gonna get some okra. Alright. So that's 2 okra. And this is gonna be 3 okra. It's gonna make 4 okra. This is gonna make 5 okra. And also, we're gonna put a piece of ginger. And some have to do it now, so I'm gonna play when I do my thing, you know. Piece of ginger. Just cut a piece of ginger like this. Alright. Slice off a piece of a ginger. Alright. Just a little piece of ginger. And then we're gonna get some lemon. Alright, we're gonna squeeze off a lemon inside of it like this. And I make certain kind of drinks if you have lemon and all them things the night. Alright guys, make the fans them know exactly what's going on. Second thing, avocado. Alright, so we're gonna put in roughly about half of the avocado inside of it like this. Because you can see the avocado look nice. I love avocado, and honestly, avocado is very, very good for you. When you cut the avocado, use a teaspoon or a tablespoon and simply scrape it out like this. I'll put it straight inside of it like that. Lovely. And then next thing what we're going to do is get some ice and put it down inside of it like this. Alright. Then I have some honey, which we also can be used. You don't have to, but I like to keep it natural, but I'm just gonna put roughly about a tablespoon of honey for flavor and taste. Alright guys? Nice one. And when you get in your honey at the shop, please don't buy the one which contains sugar. That's the one that's not good for you. Next thing. Put some water inside of it like this. Roughly about half glass of water. We're gonna put 2 more pieces of ice in it. Alright. Then cover it. Okra smoothie. And then, well, I want to make sure it doesn't cover good. So I need to pull back. Alright, let's make sure this thing covers right. This much better. So I'm gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. And if you have a good blender, that's where it works really well. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blending it, and this is exactly what me I talk about. Let me move this right now, make the fans and can see exactly what's going on. So what I'm gonna do, pour it out so that look nice and lovely and smooth. That's exactly what me I talk about right there. Okra smoothie. Amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Get some lemon. And then I know you guys will definitely love this one because it's something totally different. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments below. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Rickard and the team. So please don't go anywhere. This one, it is okra smoothie. As you can see, natural, real, and authentic. So please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And this is, as I said, okra smoothie. I will see you next time. Bye bye.